Heavy-duty brown screen door and screen window.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a secret.
Thank you for choosing and trusting Louis Glass and Aluminum Windows and Doors. Same-day installation, free delivery and free installation. All in negotiable price and free estimate can provide our official receipt. TIBIR. Accredited. Please feel free to contact us for inquiries and we'll be pleased happy to assist. Louis Glass and Aluminum Works. Text or call the number below smart 0950483543509207786651. Thank you and God bless.